I'm going to show you how to change a cabin air filter in a Ford F-150 pickup. Now, what I recommend is going ahead and upgrading if you're doing this. I like going either with K&N or the WIX filter. This is the WIX, and there's the part number, the WP10266, and it fits. This is a 2018, but I think 2015 to 18 is about the same. Now, I've already removed it, and let me just show you real quick. You got 2 bolts right here that you're going to remove with a 7mm socket. So you're going to have to unscrew these, and to pop the cabin air filter thing out, so what you're going to do is pull those little tabs back, pull it back, and then it pops right out. And there's the cabin air filter there. And let's just look at this. Now, it's a Motorcraft in here. I don't know if it's ever been changed. Yeah, look how brown and dirty that thing is. Let's bring it out here in the sun. Oh wow, look at that. Now, the reason you want to change these things is because over time they can stop up, and it'll actually ruin your unit in there, which could be a very costly repair. Remember how it came out? See the arrows facing down? You see the arrows? See the arrows? Make sure they're facing down. So I'm doing it exactly like this one did come out of there. I can't believe how dirty this thing got. I don't know when it was changed. It might have been changed at the dealership before I got it, but you know what? Throw that thing away. This one looks nice, everybody. Now this one, all right, I think I got it locked in there. This one has a little flap that goes on there. Now, to put this back on there, I'm just gonna reach in there, put the bottom pieces in. Pretty simple process. Once I lock those bottom pieces in, y'all hear that click? Let me show you what it looks like in there. So to take it off, remember, reach behind it, just pull that tab there, pull that tab there. That's back in there solid. Now to put this back in here, I'm just gonna pop this right back into place. You guys see those bolt holes right there? There's a little tab right there. All you gotta do is do this in reverse, and you'll know how to take it out. You're seeing me put it back in. Now take this little rubber trim piece right here. There's tabs on the bottom of this thing that has to lock in right there. So yeah, to take it off, all you're gonna do is pull it out to take it off. There's one here and one here. And once it locks in, that's it, everybody. There it is. Put all your junk back in your glove box, and I should be good to go. I recommend changing these cabin air filters. I try to change them about every 40, maybe 30 to 40,000 miles. So usually you can do the air filter about every 15 to 20, and then the cabin air filter about every 20 to 30. Depends on how dirty environment you're in. And I recommend using the WIX filter here. These things have been around forever. This is a great company. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the Ford F-150 cabin air filter. See y'all in the next video.